Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong within. Cases split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Okay, the next thing is to fit this plate back, and the Haynes model manual is saying fit and tighten the bolts with the short bolt at the bottom. Well, they're all the same length. But I lashed out while I was waiting for some parts, and I went online with Hitchcock's, and not that I think this bike really needs it too much, but I'm thinking it's an improvement that a lot of people do, so I might I bought a head steady for EFI models up to 2014 stainless steel. After 2014 they did change the I think the thickness on one end, so that will happen later. But I got a Carberry vibration reduction plate. So I'm not sure what it comes with. Okay, piece of PVC with a steel washer in it. Also got some more stickers to go on the side plate. Congratulations. Do not attempt fitment unless you have at least basic mechanical knowledge. Please watch the installation video on the website. Remove the two dowels, do not refit them. The bearing centre must be fitted before the plate, so there is no preload on the bearing. Before the plate goes in, it may be a good time to adjust cam backlash. Okay, don't do it unless you're well versed with the procedure, which I've already done that. There's a spring here, so I'm mindful that that won't take off. Okay, remove the 2 dowels, do not refit them. Okay, so that normally goes that way. Okay, it's got the holes for the dowels. Like this one does. There's one up here and one down there. It's saying not to use them. So I might scan the QR code and watch the video, and then I'll come back.